Most homeschool moms feel like they need to pick one math curriculum and just hope it works. But in our homeschool, that is not what we do. I actually give my kids 2 math programs at once. And no, it's not because I want to make my life harder. It was because I needed math to actually work in real life, in a full house with multiple grade levels, moving pieces, and this year, a brand new baby. So in this video, I want to tell you why we are using teaching textbooks alongside another math program, what each one is doing in our homeschool, what is hard about it, and why honestly I will keep doing this for next year. Hey friend, if you're new here, I'm Wendy from Plan Prep Pray, and I share real life homeschool encouragement, curriculum thoughts, and practical help for moms trying to homeschool in a way that is faithful, peaceful, and sustainable. And today I want to talk about teaching textbooks, but probably not in a way most people do. This is not just a curriculum review. This is really the story of why I stopped expecting one math program to do everything. So let me start here. I actually like a very structured math with lots of practice, workbook based, and consistency. And my kids could do that if I wanted. That was not really the issue. The issue was that I love math. And because I love math, I wanted my kids to love it too. I did not want math to feel like something they just survived. I wanted them to understand it, enjoy it, and build confidence in it. So I started looking at what was missing for us in our workbook math. Not because our workbook math was bad, not because it was failing, but because I wanted something more interactive, more connected, and more hands-on in certain areas. That is what led me to Math with Confidence. It is hands-on, it is interactive, it helps build number sense, it invites more discussion, it can make math feel more alive, and I appreciate that. It gave me some of what I felt like we were missing with the other math. It let me slow down with my kids, sit with concepts longer, and teach more intentionally. But here's the part that mattered in real life. It is very teacher-led. And while that can be wonderful, it also means mom has to be available, present, prepared, and consistent. And normally, I may have been able to carry that more easily, but I had a baby right at the beginning of our school year, and that changes things. I knew I did not want math to come to a halt. In our homeschool, math is one of those foundational subjects that I do not want slipping through the cracks. Even if other things get lighter for a season, I really want math to keep moving. It's actually one of the things that we do all year long. But with a newborn, multiple kids, and all the normal demands of life, I knew there would be days when I could not show up the way a fully teacher-led program required. And I did not want my kids' progress in math to depend completely on whether or not I had the capacity that day. That was a big realization for me. I did not just need a math curriculum I liked in theory, I needed one that would keep working in the middle of real life. So that is where teaching textbooks came in. And honestly, this is why I keep coming back to it. Teaching textbooks gives my kids a solid grade level math foundation that they can do independently. It teaches the lesson, it walks them through the problems, it grades the work, it gives them immediate feedback. That matters so much in a busy homeschool. And one thing I really appreciate is that they have a free trial. It includes the first 15 lessons for free, and you get to save your progress if you decide to purchase it. So if you are curious but not fully sure yet, you do not have to just guess. Your child can actually try it and see how it fits before you commit. I'll link the free trial in my description if you want to check it out. It checks the box that math got done. Now I know that sounds simple, but if you are a homeschool mom with multiple children, interruptions, younger siblings, you know that simple is not small. Simple can be the difference between something consistently happening or not happening at all. It did not stop when I had a baby. It did not stop when I was postpartum. It did not stop when I had an unexpected C-section that I wasn't planning for and now required 6 weeks of recovery. My kids were able to continue to do math. And for us, teaching textbooks has been that steady piece. So this is how I think about it. Teaching textbooks gives us consistency, independence, and daily movement. The other math curriculum gives us depth, hands-on time, discussion, and the chance for me to fill in gaps or go deeper where needed. That is why the combination works for me. Teaching textbooks is not replacing my role, it is supporting it. It makes sure the foundation is being laid even on days when I cannot do as much direct teaching. You do not need to do 2 math programs, but I just choose to because, like I said, I love math. Then when I do have the margin, I can step in more intentionally. I can teach hands-on. I can work through a concept. I can reinforce mastery. I can make math more relational and more engaging. So to me, this is not about piling on to full math programs in a stressful way. It is about using each tool for what it does best. So if I'm giving you my honest mom opinion on teaching textbooks, here's what I think it does really well. First, it is incredibly independent. That is one of the biggest strengths. My kids can log in, do the lesson, and keep moving without me having to stand over them the whole time. Second, it is engaging. My kids genuinely enjoy it. That matters to me. Third, it gives me peace of mind. I know math is not being neglected even in a busy season. Fourth, it works well for multiple kids. We have used teaching textbooks with several of our children, and that says a lot because they all learn very differently. When something keeps earning a place in your homeschool over the years, it is usually because it is serving a real purpose. So if you've been wondering whether teaching textbooks is enough or whether you are allowed to use it alongside something else, I just want to say this: you do not have to force one curriculum to be everything. You are allowed to build a math plan that fits your real life. For us, teaching textbooks has been the dependable backbone that keeps math moving. Not perfection, but consistency, flexibility, and kids who are actually engaging with math. And that has been a gift. If you use teaching textbooks, or if you have ever considered doing 2 math programs in your homeschool, let me know in the comments. I would genuinely love to hear what that looks like for you. And if you want more honest homeschool curriculum reviews and practical encouragement for real life homeschooling and homemaking, make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you in the next video.